let's get the video footage. The first time you see the footage from AZDOME M660, you will be blown away. With 4K resolution, every detail is captured in crystal clarity, whether it's the license plate of any car or the beautiful sunset as you drive home. This dashcam captures it all in vivid detail, and in moment of chaos, every bit of detail counts. I know you might be thinking, what's the cost, right? Its buying price is $168 and I'm sharing a 30% discount code here. The cool thing is that it's super affordable for what it offers. You are getting top-notch technology without needing to rob a bank. Also, I'm showing you all the settings to set up smoothly. With a user-friendly interface and straightforward instructions, you can have it up and running in no time. Plus, with the sleek design, it integrates perfectly into any vehicle without being an eyesore. Let's get a high-tech for a second. The M660 connects to your smartphone. You can easily connect the dash camera to your smartphone to view and download your recordings. With loop recording, driver can rest assured that dash camera is constantly capturing footage even during long drives. I can view the recorded footage. Also, you can view the live footages from it and even make adjustment right from your smartphone without having to pull over. It's super convenient for those of us who are constantly on the go. With top-notch coverage, stunning video footages, advanced night vision, built-in GPS and easy installation, it offers everything you need for a worry-free driving experience. The AZDOME M660 buying price is $168 and I'm sharing a 30% discount code here. Don't forget you can find the buying links in the video description. If this video is helpful and you are looking for a smartphone gimbal, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.